Hi, I'm Rob, and in this video, I'm going to show you all of the places that recruiters are likely to check out on LinkedIn where you can place your Make Me a Video CV so that you can show them the real you. Let's get started. So you've been looking at a job board or a job ad and about to submit your CV. Stop right there. This is the point where you want a recruiter to easily find you on LinkedIn. Our top tip is to use your LinkedIn URL and place it in your contact details on your CV. You can also use your LinkedIn QR code so that recruiters don't have to hunt around to find your profile. It's really useful in situations where you might have a name that's quite common in a specific location. For example, John Smith in London. So once a recruiter has found you, they're going to take a look at your summary on your profile. And in there is a media section where you can add your Make Me a Video CV. In the experience section, there's also a space for you to add media links where you can add your Make Me a Video CV too. And don't forget to enable the Share with Network button so that you can notify all of the contacts in your network that you have a new update to your profile. Another cool way to talk about your work is through articles. And articles also support video CVs. You just have to add the link from Make Me a Video CV to it. And also, if you want to post about topics on what you've been up to or the things that you really care about, you can add a Make Me a Video CV into the post by simply pasting the link into it. And there you have it, just some of the many ways that you can use a Make Me a Video CV in LinkedIn. Don't forget to show them the real you. Thanks, bye.